Welcome back. Former IAS officer Alban Kuto passed away on Saturday night. He died after a brief illness. He was a resident of Corona Aldona and he died at the age of 80.
Alban Kuto was a former IAS officer and he served in Goa, Bihar and many other places. Kuto also headed the second Goa State Finance Commission. He was one of the advisors to Governor of Goa when the state was under presidential rule in the year 1999. Alban Kuto was married to renowned author Maria Aurora Kuto and is survived by his wife, 2 sons and 1 daughter. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Children at Chirchira Bori are trying to study in rain at Anganwadi. Mind it, not because there is no infrastructure, there is the Anganwadi building which is lying unused for the last 1.5 years. But so sorry, nobody has time to inaugurate it.
Almost 21 children try to study under this shelter. But to study, they have to bear rain, dust and other health problems. Anganwadi office pays Rs 200 per month as a rent to this shelter and 75 rupees to Boriye Panchayat. The building for Anganwadi is lying unused from past 1.5 years as nobody is free to inaugurate it. One of the grandmothers cannot see her grandchildren studying in such an environment.
बालवाडी बांदून अशी भुरग्यांक हांगासर लळप कित्याक मुतांक लायता गुवां लायता दुल्लां हे पडटा
आतां बालवाडीन व्हरोंक जाय तांकां भुरग्यांक
बालवाडी बांदून कितें फायदो भुरग्यांक व्हरोन थंय दवरपाची.
The teacher of Anganwadi is also waiting to enter the new premises.
बालवाडी बांदले तिचे उद्घाटन आनी भुरग्यांक थंय व्हरपाची इतलीच आमची ड्युटी घडली. बांदून 1 वर्स 6 वर्स जालें.
सो आतां तुमी कितली वर्सां हांगा भुरग्यांक शिकयता?
हांगा ऑगस्टा 8 तारखेक 3 वर्सां सोंपतात.
कितली भुरगीं येता हांगा?
सद्या 21,000ची 30 आशिल्लीं फाटल्या म्हयन्याक. पावस येता भितर वावजड मारतली आनी सामानूय आमचे बेड्डार जाता वावजडीन भितर.
One of the local activists, Hemant Prabhu Desai, has warned government that if the new Anganwadi is not inaugurated within weeks' time, then he will go on indefinite hunger strike.
जर 8 दिसा भितर ह्या बालवाडीचें उद्घाटन जालें ना जाल्यार फुडल्या शेनवारा म्हणजे काल हांवें एप्लिकेशन दिलां फुडल्या शुक्रार पर्यंत हांव रावतलो आनी फुडल्या शेनवारा हांव हांगा आमरण उपोशणाक बसतलो ह्या गॅलरींत आनी शुक्रार दीस सांजचो जर फुडल्या शुक्रार पर्यंत इनॉग्रेशन जालें नाल्यार गांवांतले जे कोण हितचिंतक आसा हे गांवचे बरे चिंतपी तांकां सगळ्यांक सांगतलो आनी हांव हांगा आमरण उपोशणाक बसतलो आनी हाजे नंतर जर कितें जे फुडें जाता न्ही ताका चायल्ड डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट ऑफिस तांचो कन्सर्न मिनिस्टर आनी गोवा सरकार आनी गोंयचो सीएम जबाबदार आसतले.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
An Alto car with driver and a co-passenger went ramming into a mining pit in Bicholi. Sources say that driver lost the control while a speedy bus was coming from the front. The pit had no fencing which resulted into this accident.
An Alto car with 2 people on board went ramming into the mining pit at Dabdaba Bicholi on Saturday. The car had totally sunk into the mining pit. Fire brigade reached at the site and rescued the car with the help of a crane. No human injuries were reported. The driver and co-driver swam to the coast. Fire force official gave us more detail.
जस्ट आम्ही पहिले एक सर्वे केली गाडयेची गाडी पयली कशी सिच्युएशन आहा कितें ते भितर गेले आनी मागीर सगळें सिच्युएशन जाल्या उपरांत मागीर आमी हेका कामाक स्टार्ट केली तेन्ना पयली रोप घातलो फाटल्या हेका हितूनसून टॉपाक आनी फुडल्या दारांसून रोप घातलो तेका जग दिलो एक आनी जग दिवन क्रेन लावन ती गाडी हळू हळू उखलून तेजेर भायर हाडली.
Shiv Sena leader Vikas Gaukar informed us that many accidents took place at the same spot, but the authorities have failed to take cognizance of the same.
तेका सायडीच्यान कांयच फेन्सिंग ना सादारणशे 40-50 फूट खोल आहा ती दरी दोन सायडींच्यान आनी ह्यान पयलीं एकदां ट्रकाचो एक्सिडेंट जाल्लो आनी सादारणसो प्राण वयचे म्हणून सादारणशे बरें जाल्ले तेन्ना आमी कंपनीर तोंडी वेव्हार केल्लो तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी आमकां कितें सांगलें की हे आपल्या हितून कक्षेन येना तेन्ना PWD किंवा म्युनिसिपालिटी तुमी कळया तेज्या उपरांत आमी पत्रकार व्यवहार केलो PWD कडेन तरी तेंच्यांनी कांय तेचेर दुर्लक्ष करून उडयलें आनी तेका लागून आयज हांगा दोगांक प्राण सोडचो पडटलो आसलो तरी तेंचो देव बरो तातडीन कितें तरी बांदकाम करून पक्के बांदकाम करून हेजेर रस्त्याचें संरक्षण करून लोकांचे जीवन वाडचें.
A reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
Cultural treasure hunt organized by Communicare Trust was held on Friday at Goa Museum. This activity made students aware of 3 major periods that is the ancient period, medievals and modern period. 41 students participated in this event.
This event was organized by Communicare to make Goa State Museum known to public in general and to stimulate students to learn more about their history. Participants were given certificates at the hands of Director of Art and Culture Prasad Loilekar, Director of Goa Museum Radha Bhave and President of Communicare Trust Nalini D'Souza were present for the function. Speaking to Prudent Media, President of Communicare Trust Nalini D'Souza explained the main aim of organizing this event.
This project was born when I came here once to the museum. I think it is a wonderful museum, but a lot of Goans don't know about this museum. Actually, when I invited the children today and I was talking to the teachers, there were teachers telling me it's the first time I'm coming to the museum. And it's a pity, I mean, it's a museum in the center, in the capital, and people don't know about it. So the idea was to bring all these children, we got 41 students, and for them, now they know about the museum, I asked them to bring their friends, their parents, and make this museum alive.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar.
Stay tuned for the news and sports. We will be right back after a short break.